everyone. A parabola x squared equals 4y and a line y equals negative 3a minus 2 intersect at two different points. If a line is translated with 8 units along the x-axis, then they do not intersect. So we're going to find the range of a. Alright, so first let's translate them. Our line is translated with 8 units along the x-axis. So if we have y equals negative 3x minus 2, and it's translated with the x, that's going to equal y equals negative 3, and our x is translated, so you just do minus a. Then we still have our minus 2. Now this simplifies to y equals negative 3x plus 3a minus 2. And we're going to call this equation 1. All right. Since for intersection purposes, they intersect at two different points. So what we want to do is substitute our y into this equation. So we have x squared equals 4 times y. And our y is going to be, 4 times negative 3x plus 3a minus 2. Now if you distribute this and move everything over to the left-hand side of the equation, we get x squared plus 12x minus 4. This is your constant, so that's going to be 3a minus 2 equals 0. All right. Now, to solve for a, we're going to use our discriminant formula, and it gets rid of our x's. This one comes in handy as well. So basically, it says when the line is translated with a units along the x-axis, they do not intersect. So basically, we want our discriminant to be less than 0. Because if it's greater than 0, we have two real solutions. That means they intersect. If their discriminant equals 0, that means we have one real solution. So that means they intersect once. But if it's less than 0, then they don't intersect. So that means we're going to do that. And I'm also going to use this formula because it's a little easier to deal with. So if I take my discriminant, divide it by 4, I'm going to let that be less than 0. Okay. So taking our b and squaring it and then dividing by 4, this is going to give me 36. All right, minus a, which is 1, and c. So you just write down c, which is going to be minus negative. So that's going to be plus because we have a negative here. So it's going to be plus 4 times 3a minus 2. So this was basically minus a negative there. All right. Now, see how much easier it was using this formula instead? All right. Now, this is going to simplify to 12a plus 28. All right. And then we want this to be less than 0. Solving for a, we're going to get a is less than negative 28 divided by 12, which simplifies to a is going to be less than negative 7 divided by 3. And that's your range. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.